Okay, guys, and here is a typical task for the model of Keynesian equilibrium, which is Keynesian cross. Here we've got the consumption function C equals 260 plus 0.7 multiplied by y minus t. We have E, this I, it stands for investment. We have T, which stands for taxes, and we have G, which is, you're right, government purchases, so 3000. And we need to determine equilibrium output, which is production, yeah, marginal propensity to consume of the model. Marginal propensity to consume shows which part of extra income you're going to spend on consumption, so you're not gonna save it. Well, and then you need to calculate what will happen if income of people grows by 100 units. How will your consumption change? And sometimes we have tasks like how would government. Okay, that's enough. What do we do here? First, I wanted to make a little illustration with a graph. So here is a graph already ready and made for you. Well, it's approximate picture, of course, so without exact details. So this one, this line, I'll make it, well, I think I should change it a little bit, because when it's blue, like, it's all the same. Yeah, it's red now. Well, so this thick red line, not very thick, okay, so this red line stands for all equilibrium points where our planned expenditures E are equal to our actual production. So all points of equilibrium will be on this 45 degrees line. And this blue line stands for our planned expenditures. Now it's back, sorry. So for our planned expenditures, and they consist of consumption, investment, and government purchases. So to plot it, we actually need to add it all up. Consumption, which is this, plus investment, which is this, plus government purchases, which is this, and we use taxes here, we put it instead of T, and altogether it will give us planned expenditures. So how do we solve it mathematically? Well, actually we add up all our planned expenditures together. So expenditures equal consumption plus investment plus government purchases, and instead of T we write our taxes, which is 50. Well, and at the point of equilibrium it will be equal to our output. Magic. And now we just solve it for y, and that's going to be solution for our task. It will be our equilibrium output. So y equals 260 plus 0.7 y minus 0.7 multiplied by 50 is minus 35, and plus 200 plus 300 is 500. Well, 500 minus 35 will give us 465, so plus 465. I hope I haven't done any mistakes at the moment by now. Yeah, then we put everything with y to one side, typically to the left, without y to another side, typically to the right. And just remember that when we bring something from one side of equation to another one, we need to change plus to minus, minus to plus, and so on. So y minus now 0.7 y equals 2060 plus 465 will give us together 3065, I suppose, and I hope I am not mistaken. If I am, just write me that in the comments. You're free to do it. Okay, y minus 07y. You realize that there is like a 1 standing. We don't write it because like it's 1y minus 07y. Uh, and that gives us 03y, and it equals 3065. So to get y now, we divide 3065 by 03. And excuse me guys, I just don't have calculator on hands. uh, it's like, oh, why not? I do have it here. Come on, it's computer. We have it. So 3065 divided by 03 will give us something like that. 10 216, yeah, 10 216, 216, not 2000 people. 16, well, 17 if you approximate it correctly. Well, and this is solution. That is our equilibrium output. Actually, on the graph, we could put it here. So, yes, I understand that Microsoft Office is not the best place to make pictures, but that's what I have at the moment. So, it is 10 2017. That's it. And yeah, okay guys, and it's also here, it's the same with, it is also our aggregate expenditure at this moment, and this is the amount of equilibrium output in the Keynesian cross model. But we had other tasks to do. Marginal propensity to consume. Marginal propensity to consume can be straightly taken from consumption function. It's this coefficient before y, so it is 0.7. We can just write like that, like MDC equals, oh, I don't want it changed, okay, equals 0.7. And if income increases by 10 units, how will consumption change? So change of income, and in this case it's the output as well, equals much 100. So the change of consumption equals the change of income multiplied by our marginal propensity to consume, and it's going to be 70. So with the growth of income by $100, 100 units, we will have a growth of consumption by 70. Well, that's it for now. See you. Bye bye.